I'll guide you through the complete process to add credit cards, transit passes, and loyalty rewards to Apple Wallet. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Let's start with adding a credit or debit card. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus icon, then choose Debit or Credit Card.
Tap Continue. Position to scan your card using your phone camera, or tap Enter Card Details manually at the bottom. We'll use the manual method. Enter your card name and number and tap Next. Enter your card's expiration date and security code, then tap Next. Agree to the bank's terms. Choose a verification method for Apple Pay from text, app, or call, then tap Next. Enter the code to complete the verification. Once verified, you can choose to use this new card as your default card or not. Now you'll be returned to your Apple Wallet with the newly added card available for use with Apple Pay.
Now let's see how to add a transit card. Tap the plus icon. Tap the transit card to see available card types. Find the specific transit system from the list or use the search field, then tap Continue. If you already have a physical card, select Transfer Existing Card. Follow the prompts to enter your card details. If you are creating a new one, enter the amount you wish to add or select one of the pre-selected amounts from $5, $10, or $20 and tap Add. Read through the terms and conditions and tap Agree. Next, select your preferred payment card for the initial top-up. Authorize a payment by double-clicking the side button and using Face ID. Your new card will now appear in your wallet, ready to tap and pay. Remember, the transit card can only be on your iPhone or your Apple Watch, not both at once. Next, here's how to add a pass, like tickets, rewards, and keys. Open the third-party app, like an airline, cinema, or reward. Tap Boarding Pass. Locate and tap the Add to Apple Wallet button inside that app. Confirm it again if requested. If the pass was sent via an email, open the email and tap the wallet link or web page. This will quickly import the ticket or coupons. The pass is now installed. When you get near the venue, like a movie theater or your flight gate, the pass will automatically pop up on your lock screen, ready for use. Remember, you can double tap the side button on the phone to bring up Apple Wallet for quick payments. To set your default card for Apple Pay, tap and drag a card to the front of the stack. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.